Well, we've heard about the damage, the disruption caused by Storm Ciarán. Here it is, very pretty looking on the satellite picture, gradually tracking further eastwards. The strongest gusts of wind on the southern flank of this very deep area of low pressure. In fact, you may well have wanted to tap your barometer a couple of times earlier on this morning. A record low pressure across the south for November, recorded at 953 millibars in Plymouth earlier on. That is very close to the values we saw in the 1987 Great Storm and the Burnsday Storm of 1990. With the strongest gusts of wind earlier across the Channel Islands, there is still a red weather warning in place for strong winds issued by the Jersey Met Service. And these were the strongest gusts of wind that we saw earlier on today. Jersey Airport, 93 mile an hour gust. At Langdon Bay, Dover, 78 mile an hour gusts. Now, those amber weather warnings for strong winds have now expired, but still localised yellow weather warnings in place for wind and for rain from the storm. But it's gradually easing down. Still some gusts towards exposed coasts of 60 to 65 miles an hour. Bands of showers and spells of rain just moving around the centre of this low. Some more rain for eastern Scotland. Of course, it's been flooded here recently. It's a much quieter day of weather across Northern Ireland and western Scotland, though. As we head through this evening and overnight, well, the low pressure just gradually spills off into the North Sea. Still some showers spinning around it, particularly for eastern Scotland, for northeast England. Still some strong gusty winds here elsewhere. A quieter night with some clear spells. Temperatures in mid to high single figures generally. And on Friday, it is a much calmer day of weather, but still that rain continues. Strong gusty easterly winds, again, 40 to 50 miles an hour for eastern Scotland, for northeast England. The showers continuing here. Rashes of showers pushing across Wales and for Northern Ireland. Some showers further south too, but also some sunny spells, lighter winds. However, the brief period of relative calm is not really set to last, because we've got another deep area of low pressure spilling in from the southwest as we head through Friday night and into Saturday. And that's mostly once more going to affect the south of the UK across southern England. Again, localised weather warnings in place for heavy rain. Further north across much of northern England and Northern Ireland, it should be largely dry. Much of Scotland too staying dry, but the winds pick up again towards the south, particularly across the Channel. Now, for all of the latest on the disruption caused by the storm, don't forget your local BBC radio station. It will have all of the latest information, and for everything else, including possible disruption this weekend for bonfire night. It's a messy looking picture weather-wise. Of course, the BBC weather app. Ben.
OK, Elizabeth, thank you.